Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now guys, we know the previous episode ended with Usamke throwing a bomb and releasing uLokuzana uPhetheni's secret on Unjengaye, you guys. So this episode starts off from that scene. So Unjengaye is like, "Ay suka uyangibhedela wena lana, like ayikho leyo nto oyikhulumayo." Then uPhetheni is like, "Okay, athi ngikubonise-ke bafo." She takes out uDeliwe's phone. She's going through it, looking for those SMSs so she can show Unjengaye. She's like, "Nginobufakazi-ke." She shows him. She turns the phone. Unjengaye looks at the message, and then he looks at Usamke. He's like, "Uthola nobani?" Usamke is like, "Hawu, manje usufuna ukwazi." Unjengaye is like, "Hey wena lalela la, ngikubuza ukuthi uthola nobani, anginaso isikhathi sakho." Usamke is like, "Lalela-ke nsizwa, angithandi mina ukuxabanisa abantu, akungcono ukuthi mhlampe uzibuzele wena." She goes on to say, "Yazi ngiyacabanga futhi ukuthi kungenzeka futhi yo lengane onazo wena ocabanga ukuthi ezakho kanti ezenye indoda." I'm just like, yo guys, Usamke is so messy. Unjengaye goes on to say ukuthi uyabona-ke manje soyangisanganela-ke manje, uphambene-ke manje, uphambene ekhanda, xana uhambe me. He gives her that phone where he was reading the message with Deliwe's phone. He gives her the phone. He's like, "Phuma uphele lana, uyangizwa, phuma." Then Usamke is like, "Okay, fine, ngiyabonga." Unjengaye is like, "Hamba wena, uyangijwayela yazi, hamba lana, hamba." And then she just goes out like that, you guys. Anyway, even though Oshiso Wenja Oksalayo had landed, and listen, you can see on Unjengaye's facial expression, yeah, things have changed, you guys. Next scene, girl, we see Usbongile and Uwenza. Remember, Uwenza had a special dining experience for her. So it's still that same day. They are still at his apartment. So Uwenza's like, "Uqinisile ngazo zonke izinto ubuzisho sithanda sami. Angifuni phela uzizwe ngathi ngikufakela i-pressure." Usibongile's like, "Cha Wenzo, awungifakeli i-pressure, ngiqinisile. Sengiyafuna ukuyenza lento." I'm like, "Sibongile, hey." Ukwenzo's like, "Oh, okay." Usibongile's like, "Wenzo, usungibonise ngendlela eziningi ukuthi uyangithanda, ukuthi ungithanda kangakanani. Uhlezi ukhona ngey'nkathi engidinga kuzo. Angikaze nangelinye ilanga nje awukaze nangelinye ilanga nje wangilahla, futhi ngiyabonga ukuthi usungithande ngaleyo ndlela." She goes on to say ukuthi, "Kwenzo, sengiredi ukuthi ngizinikele kuwena ngokuphelele." I'm like, what is Usibongile saying? Usibongile is basically saying, guys, ukuthi she is ready to lose her virginity with Ukwenza, you guys. She is ready to take this relationship to the next step. Ukwenza's like, "Sibongile, ngifuna ukuthi mesiyenza lento ibe perfect." Usibongile then says, "Tonight is already perfect, Kwenzo. Ashoti ngalutho." Kathi, "Hey bo." Ukwenza then says, "Ngiyakuthanda mambambo, ngiyakuthanda futhi angizenzisi." And then Usibongile's like, "Ngiyakuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke." And then as they're about to kiss, you guys, Usibongile's phone rings, and then she's like, "Mwese." Then she takes the phone. I don't know which ubano phone or what, but the scene just ends like that. Next scene, uPhetheni, guys, she is by the Dlamini mansion kusekuseni. She is busy trying to phone Unjengaye. Stress ukuthi ayibo indoda yami iyephi. uPhetheni is leaving a voice message on Unjengaye's phone. She's like, "Njengaye ukuphi? Awulalanga lana endlini, ukuphi? Xana ungifonele back." Then she drops the phone. Yambona ukuthi yacabanga ukuthi, like, what could possibly make this man not come home? She takes her phone, she dials it again. She's like, "Ma, ikhona into oyikhulumile noSamke." Unengelosi is like, "How?" Ngoba nakho ucabanga ukuthi ngiyisidakwa ngithi manje sewucabanga ukuthi ngumamgobhozi, hhayi suka wena mani. uPhetheni that angishongo njalo ma. Unengelosi that manje usho ukuthini ukuthi khona into engiyishilo kunokhuzana kuSamke? uPhetheni is like, "Hawu ma, bengibuza nje, like I was just asking." Unengelosi goes on to say, "Phetheni, kuzofanele ukuthi ungithembe, nginguma wakho. Lalela mntanami, mina iyodwa nje into engiyifuna kuwena yikuthi ungithophe aphi kuphela mengishoda ngemali. Peten is like, okay, sure, ma, bye. Hangs up like that. I'm just like, unengelosi, guys. I don't know what type of mother she is. And yet that time she knows, or maybe ukhohliwe, ukuthi she told uPeteni's secret to uSamke. Next scene, we see Usbongile. She is at Erese Cameron like she's done botting Ukogi Tauna. She's wrapped herself with a towel. But you can see, man, she's daydreaming. In that, she's daydreaming about this thing that her and Uwenzo are about to do or have planned to do. But it looks like we are Zola, or it looks like she's kind of regretting herself. It's not a happy look, man. But anyway, her phone beeps. She picks up the phone, and it's a voice note from Uwenzo. She plays the voice note. Uwenzo's like, Sawbona Bambolam, Engatembu Wutu ya Pila. I wanted to say, Uwuti, I can't wait to see you tonight. And then the voice note ends there. But you can see Uwuti Usbongile is doubting this whole thing. I really hope Uwuti Usbongile must be sure, you guys, because I don't want that some type of situation where Usbongile goes and Uwenzo's prepared for that, and then they end up having the deed, and then when Usbongile turns around and says, I was not ready for that. Guys, I don't want that, because hey, Usbongile namapati, hey, I am London. Next scene, we see Kwanomfundo Unjengaye looking drunk. Not drunk, he looks like he has a papalaz. He is sitting Kwanomfundo on Unomfundo's couch. I'm like, Kwanumkako, uglindile, she's trying to phone you, yet ulana Kwanomfundo. Unomfundo's like, how? Ufike lana emotionally uphuzile, wafika wazumeka la ekhawuchini, kwenze njani? Then Unjengaye is like, hey, uyabona Nomfundo. Hayi uyayibona ke lena, hayi kunzima. Lena ngibhekene nayo. Unomfundo's like, how? Uhamba kahle ekhaya. Unjengaye is like, isibe ukuhamba kahle ekhaya ngaba ngikho lana. Unomfundo's like, how? Kwenze njani pho yini? Then Unjengaye is like, hey, unzima umshado Nomfundo. Unzima umshado. Yazi besengizitshelile ukuthi mina ngeke ngiphinde nje ngilale ngaphandle. Ngizithole sengilala emakhawuchini abantu ngoba ngithi ngishawa umoya, kodwa-ke hey, umshado. Nomfundo's like, kodwa sibalikhulu ngeke ngikwazi ukusiza if awungitshela ukuthi kwenze njani. And then Unjengaye's like, uPhetheni. As he said uPhetheni, there's a knock on the door. Umxolisi just knocks once, he opens the door. Umxolisi is like, Sithando sami yazi. And then Unomfundo freezes because it's looking somehow. Mind you, kusekuseni, Unjengaye is here. Umxolisi is like looking at them like, what's going on here? Umxolisi is like, oh, anti sibaningi lana. And then Unomfundo's like, hey, ngijabula ukubona Sithandwa sami. Umxolisi is like, me too. He hugs Unomfundo and he kisses her on her forehead. Unjengaye then gets the message ukuthi it's time for him to leave. He then says, ngiyabonga ngekofi Nomfundo, and then he gets out and he leaves the house. Next scene kwaMbambo, guys, uSangweni, he is chilling inyawo zakhe zisesofeni, is chilling, pressing his phone. Uvuma walks in. He's like, where's Sangweni? Where's Sangweni? When Umzana, angithi uhleli ngathi uNomzana, that time he's ignoring Uvuma when Uvuma's calling him. Uvuma's like, yay, yini le? Uvuma is carrying uSangweni's school uniform. He's like, yini le? Ifunani uniform ayiniwe kubasket we-washing. uSangweni's like, oh leyo uniform ngiyibeke lapho ngoba angiyilapho. How? uNokhuzana Uvuma then says ukuthi awenzi njani? WeSangweni, yazi ukuthi uyayidinga imfundo wena. uSangweni is like, how baba? Like ayikho deep kangako baba. Ngizibeke lapho lezo zinto ngoba angiyi esikolweni. Ngifuna, as he's trying to speak there, Uvuma's like, sengiyabona wena mfanami. Yazi wena, sengiyabona ukuthi uya ngakuphi. ufuna ukufana nalo mfana kaMadlunduna, something like that. Ufuna ukufana nalo mfana kaMadlunduna, lo engenegqekeza emzini yabantu, engena exinana neyizalukazi ebaphuca ipension yabo. USangweni sakhe, hawu mina futhi uvuma sakhe Sangweni. He sits down next to Usangweni. He's like, yini mfanami kodwa? Usangweni is like, yo. Like to say, don't lecture me. Uvuma's like, noma lo tishara wako, usekale izinto zakhe yini mfanami? Usangweni is like, baba, manje mina ngisakwazi nokuthi ngilale, ngiziphumulele la ekhaya ngiphefumule nje, ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza lokho. Usamke walks in. Usamke's like, yonke into ikahle. Usangweni is like, yo, ayi ngeke, ayi ngcono ngivele ngihambe lana. Yazi yonke into ibihamba kahle before kufika wena lana. Ayi ngeke. And then he just walks off like that. Uvuma's like, weSangweni, akukhulunywa kanjalo nomuntu omdala wena. Akalingani nawe uSamke, yezwa? Usamke's like, myeke Vuma, myeke. Usanda kushonela uma wakhe. Ngiya-understand that, like, the pain that he's going through. Uvuma's like, ngiyabonga Samke. Mina yazi ngizogcina ngimshaya. Ngiyabonga Samke nje ubukhona bakho. Yazi ubukhona bakho has been helpful lana ekhaya Samke. USamke's like, hayi akho nkinga Vuma, nami ngiyathanda ukuba lana. Uvuma's like, yazi ungikhumbuza amazwi kadadewethu wathi ukuthi lo muzi udinga isandla somuntu wesifazane. USamke looks at Uvuma. She's like, angizwanga kahle? UMandulo udadewenu lo ngimaziyo washo njalo. Uvuma's like, washo. Uzothini if the house is not the only thing edinga isandla sakho? Uzothini if nobaba wakho na wala endlini uyasidinga isandla sakho Samke? USamke cannot believe what she's hearing. She loves. She's like, angikholwa lento engizwayo yazi Vuma. Indlela oyisoka ngakhona uyuza udadewenu so that you can anyway, okay. Ithi ngikubuze lo mbuzo. Wena Vuma usangithanda na? Uvuma zakhe, hawu-ke kodwa mehlo mahle usangibuza kodwa angikaze ngiyeke mina. And then uSamke's like, yes bengisola vele. And then she comes closer, she kisses him. She's like, bengivele ngisola ukuthi usangithanda. Ulokhuzana Uvuma is smitten by the kiss. Hey guys, Samke izinto zakhe zihamba ngolayini. She got her man back, and listen, her payback to uPhetheni seems to be going well so far. Next scene unjengaye uhleli in a restaurant nomzala wakhe, and yeah, they are having some lunch there, but you can see ukuthi unjengaye, he is not okay. Unjengaye then says, uyazi-ke nawe bafo ukuthi abantu usually say ukuze wazi ngomuntu kabanzi mele uhlangane nabangani bakhe bakudala, and then you will see or you will find out the true colors of who that person really is. Then umzala wakhe then says, manje nawe bafo ukhethe ukuvele uyikholwe yonke lento okhulunywa uSamke. Umuntu okufanele uzwe ngaye la umakoti umkakho. Have you spoken to her? Unjengaye is like, hayi asikho isidingo ngoba yonke into icacile nje kuyacaca. Umzala wakhe then says, icacile? Hayi bo, uyihlanganisa kanjani yonke lento? Unjengaye is like, bafo sengiyabona kungani uPhetheni why she struggled to trust me after uNomfundo. Sengiyabona manje yingoba bekashawa unembeza. The cousin's like, hey bafo, mina ngiyakuzwa kodwa to tell you the truth, this story nje nonsense nje. Angithi nawe uyasho ukuthi ngumngani wakhe wakudala. Uzothini if uSamke yisitha samakoti and she wants to destroy umakoti? Mzala, uyabona umshado nje uphakathi kwabantu ababili. Ungalinge nje uvumela umuntu wesithathu angene lapho, uzonithatha. Unjengaye zakhe, pho yini yonke into ihlangana bafo? Yini yonke into nje ihlangana? Lalela bafo, mina noVusi asikaze sazwana bafo. We are just complete opposites. Sengiyabona manje yini isizathu ukuthi mina noVusi singazwani. Umzala athi, manje bafo, hayibo, Uzama ungitshelani kahle kahle? Yini ofuna ungitshela yona manje? Unjengayo zakhe Bafo, umzala zakhe uthini kumina Bafo? Unjengayo zakhe uvusi Bafo, ngiyasola ukuthi akuyona indodana yami. Then uBafo, the cousin then says, hi Bafo. Unjengayo zakhe ngiyasona Bafo. Bheka Bafo, ngilalele. Uphetheni wachitha kwase qhamuka uvusi. Umzala then says, hayi ngeke. Hayi ngeke mzala. Siba cha siba. Mina into engiyibonayo ukuthi uyagagamela nje. Uthatha amahemhemi owazwe ngabantu, and then unjengayo like unjengayo then says, yonke into icacile Bafo. Nayi ingibhekile phambi kwami Bafo. Nakhu uthi angithini Bafo? Uphetheni wachitha waqhamuka uvusi Bafo. Nakhu nje. Yeah, guys, Njengayo, the way he put this thing together so quickly, I'm just like, it's the end. It's the end. And you can tell ukuthi Njengayo, he had, it's almost as if whatever Usamke said kind of confirmed a feeling inside of him already. And that's why he is so adamant ukuthi iyiqiniso lento Usamke ayikhulumayo. Next scene, Uvelephi, she is at her man's room. Usipho, she's on a phone call. She's busy saying, hi, he ena, Innocentia, hawukhuze uPrudence ngomona. Mina anginandaba ukuthi abantu bazothini. Oh, anginandaba ngabantu ukuthi bazothini. Mina into engiyijabulelayo yikuthi sengizoshada, ngibe nomndeni wami, ngihlale nengane yami, nobaba wengane yami. Sishade nje, siphile impilo eqondile. Uya-understanda? That time Usipho is sleeping in bed. Uvelephi is pacing the room. Kodwa labangani bakhe laphayana, you can see she's disturbing Usipho. Then anyway, Uvelephi then stays on the phone call. Okay, shopping, ngizobuya ngingifonele. As she's dropping the phone, there's a knock on the door. When she opens the door, Ubaba Ntombela, he is carrying ukudla and a juice squid tray, which ukuthi uzoseva indodana yakhe. Untombela zakhe, wena futhi, awungitshele. Wena futhi lana. Then ulokhuzana, Untombela goes on to say, lalela ke, angikubalanga ngenkathi bengipheka. So kuzofanele ukuthi ugijime, uye kini, uyodla ngoba lokhu ukudla engiphethe lana okwendodana yami. Guys, it sounded so funny because it just reminded me of, when you were still kids and isikhathi sokudla and you don't know how to chase away your child's friends. You just tell them ukuthi I don't know, but it sounded like ulokhuzana, Untombela uzamxosha Uvelephi in that type of style. So anyway, ulokhuzana Uvelephi zakhe, hawu baba Untombela, kahle babezala wami, ngoba fanele ngikubize ngobabazala manje. Untombela zakhe udakiwe. Uvelephi is like, cha ngempela baba, phela mina noSipho sesizoshada. uSipho akaseyona nje umfana wesikole onuka i-ink. Useredi ukuthi abe yindoda-ke manje. Untombela zakhe, yeyi wena, ucabanga ukuthi lento oyidlise ingane yami isiyasebenza manje? Uyahlanya. Then the scene just ends like that. Last scene, guys, it is the evening where Ukwenzo and Usibongile have planned ukuthi they are taking their relationship to the next step, but all we see is Ukwenzo, he's walking up the stairs, no Sibongile. The bed is filled with rose petals, laying ngaphansi on the floor, kunamakhandlela, guys, like it's a very romantic setup, cute and beautiful romantic setup. So Ukwenzo's like, ngiyathemba ukuthi u-ready for usuku lanamhlanje. Ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi ngizokuphatha kahle. Sibongile, ngiyabonga ukuthi ungithande futhi ungithembe and for giving me your all. Cela ume lana-ke. Then uSibongile just stops there by the bed. Then he takes the remote, he plays soft music. And then he's like, can I have this dance? And then they slow dance there, guys. As they slow dancing, they start kissing. and then then us uSibongile ready, and then uSibongile avume like to say yes, I'm ready, and then they go on the bed, guys, they kiss, and then the episode ends there. I don't know if uSibongile is gonna go ahead with this, but I'm just like, hey, Sibongile, you could have waited, Micah. I don't know what's the pressure. Is the pressure because uNokuzana uwenza like she almost lost uwenza to another woman? Because it's just odd for me of how all of a sudden she's ready just after an incident where uwenza kissed another girl. But anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.